This is the Avaya 1616i IP phone. The 1616i is designed for users who answer incoming calls, transfer customers to different departments, and monitor several line appearances. The 1616i provides the most one-touch line, feature, or speed dial buttons without the need to scroll through on-screen lists. It supports 16 line appearances or feature keys with dual LEDs. Included with the 1616i is the phone, phone stand, handset, and handset cord. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.